Everyone, it's Nate from Voltage, and welcome to part 3 of our Send and Receive series. If you missed part 1 and 2, where we went over how to start a Voltage account and receive a payment, there'll be a link to that in the description below. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Bitcoin to our Lightning node in preparation of opening our first channel. What we are going to do first is go to our main Voltage node dashboard. From here, we're going to enter Thunderhub by clicking Dashboards, and then Create Dashboard for Thunderhub. When Thunderhub is ready, click Launch Dashboard, and then log in using your node password. After you are logged in, you'll be greeted with your main Thunderhub dashboard here. There are two components to your Lightning node that you can send and receive from. One is your Lightning side, and the other is your Bitcoin on-chain side. To open your own Lightning channel, you need to have Bitcoin available in your on-chain side of your Lightning node. On your on-chain side, which is labeled by the anchor symbol, click Receive, then Create Address, and you will send funds to this address via Bitcoin on-chain transaction. From this available amount, you'll be able to open up a channel that is as big as you want it to be from the available balance. For example, you can send 10 million Satoshis to this address and open 5 2 million sat channels or 2 5 million sat channels. It is up to you. If you need more funds, simply click Receive and send more. After the funds have been sent, you can refresh your Thunderhub, and you will now see that the amount that you have sent, in this case I sent a little over 1 million sats, is now pending. If you desire to look at this transaction on mempool.space, on the left side you can click Chain, and then you will see the transaction, and then click the link under Transaction. This will bring you to mempool.space, where you can watch it. For those that don't know, at mempool.space, the transaction that you are looking at will be pointed at in this white triangle. So right now, this is the next block to be confirmed, and then we will be able to open our first Lightning channel.